Got a 2011 F-150. Had a problem with the automatic running boards wanting to stay down, and the rear door open buzzer kept coming on. Found right here in this connector. Let's see, that wire's broken completely in half. Let's see if I can sit there. Focus. This little purple and green is on the verge of breaking in half. The purple itself here is broken in half. So that's 3 wires. 2 completely broken in half and 1 on the verge. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try to splice all that mess back together. But I'd seen one video where the guy took the whole daggone door apart, pulled the whole wiring harness out, but I don't think I've got to do all that. I'm gonna see if I can't just butt splice back together right here. And what a terrible design. This little tube, I'm assuming, was in here to keep the wires from breaking back in here. Maybe would have been cool if it came on up to attach somehow. Anyway, see if I can get it put back together. Alright, got them spliced back together. I was struggling with this rubber booty. I found there's 2 clips, one here and one over here on the other side. I had to get a little small screwdriver to get in this back one to pop it out. But popping that out will really make it easier getting that rubber grommet back. Probably should have made a little clip of before I fixed it, but before the doors was showing rear passenger open. Now it's got it back to doors okay. So that got her. Like and subscribe.